everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can save your battery of your laptop. Whether you are using Windows 11 or 10, no matter, you can use this method to save your battery of your laptop. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get latest updates and applications. If you want to share your opinion, feel free to type into the comment section. Let's start today's episode. To save your battery of the laptop, first thing, you can turn off the display while you are using your laptop. Some laptop has a separate switch or button on the keyboard or above the keyboard to turn off the display. If you have this button, then definitely use this. Number 2, you can use the sleep mode while you are not using your PC or laptop. You can set an automated system to turn your PC into sleep mode. So let me tell you how you can set this. For this, you need to visit settings. To go to settings, press Windows plus I.
Settings window, search box, find the setting, edit blank.
I'm pressing tab.
System 1 of 11, level 1.
So system, just press enter on system, and I'm pressing tab.
System button 1 of 1, Microsoft 3 on OneDrive, backed up, Windows update list, display 1 of 15.
So first option is display. I'm pressing down arrow.
Sound 2 of 15, notifications to focus 4 of 15, power 5 of 15.
Power, so I'm pressing enter to choose power.
Power, screen and sleep grouping.
So this option is helpful for laptop users also, and if you are using a desktop, then you can also take the benefits of this option, because sometimes what happened, you just go out for a little work for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then when you come back you need to enter the password or whatever settings you have set. You have to turn on your PC from the sleep mode again. So if you wish, you can turn the feature off. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the steps. We are already in power. So here we will get the settings. So now I'm pressing Shift plus tab.
The screen and sleep grouping, show all settings button collapsed.
Just click on show all settings.
Expanded.
Now I'm pressing tab.
When plugged in, turn off my screen after combo box never collapsed.
When plugged in, turn off my screen. So which means if you set a timer, so then your screen will be turned off after a certain period of time. So I'm just pressing up arrow down arrow to choose the timing. So I have chosen never.
5 hours.
5 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours.
1 hour.
1 hour.
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
25 minutes.
25
20
minutes.
15 minutes. 10 minutes. 5 minutes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. 1 minute.
Okay.
Never.
So if there is no activity but the system is plugged in, then after 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever time you have set, your screen will be turned off automatically. You just need to turn on the screen. Your screen will be turned off, but your PC will not be turned off or not turned into the sleep mode. To go to sleep mode, to move your PC into sleep mode automatically after a certain period of time, you have to press tab here.
When plugged in, put my device to sleep after combo box never collapsed.
When plugged in, put my device into sleep mode after combo box collapsed. So here I have also chosen never, because I don't want this feature right now because I am using desktop. But if you're using laptop, you can use this setting to save your laptop's battery. So I'm pressing up arrow.
5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 45, 30 minutes, 25, 20, 15, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, never.
The same options are there, so you can use up and down arrow to choose the options, or you can use home or end key to jump the options from top to bottom or bottom to top, whatever you want. So once you choose, then just press tab.
Power consumption and carbon emissions grouping. Learn how choosing efficient power settings can help you use less energy, improve battery life, and reduce carbon impact. Open button.
Okay, so here are some tips. If you want, you can read.
Related support grouping. Help adjusting power and sleep settings link. Lock your Windows PC automatically link. Changing power mode link. Get help grouping. Get help.
Okay, so just click escape key or then press Alt F4 to come out the settings window. This is the way you can just use your laptop to save the battery, or you can use as per your convenience, whether you are using your desktop or laptop, no matter. This is the power settings which you should know, which I have to teach you through this video. So if this video helps, if this video impacts in your life, then definitely hit the like button, and please let us know your valuable opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your WhatsApp groups and Facebook friends. We are providing 1-to-1 private coaching for Indian for learning computer. You can learn from home. For more details, you can contact us or visit our official website. The link is given in the video description. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye. This is Ratul signing off.